All right, students. Today, let's discuss what is the surface area of a sphere. So, a sphere is a three-dimensional object. You know that it's not a two-dimensional. A circle is a two-dimensional object, but a sphere is a 3D object. Now, 3D object has volume also. Now, but we are not going to discuss volume. We want to discuss what is surface area of the sphere. So, basically, if you know the surface area of a circle, or simply the area of circle, if you know, is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. Am I right? R is the radius of the circle. All right, like this is the radius of the circle, and this is the diameter, right? So, surface area of sphere, guys, if you remember, is basically 4 times in this area. So I'll say surface area of sphere is 4 times 4 pi r square of the sphere, which has same radius r as was this circle. So now let's do a small numerical also. Let's say somebody says the radius of the radius of sphere is, let's say, under root 7. So what will be the area? So surface area as per the formula of the sphere is 4 pi r square. So it will be 4 into pi, approximately we can take 22 by 7. R is under root 7, and when I do square it becomes 7. So 7 cancels with 7, so it is 88. If radius is in centimeter, it will become centimeter square. Hope you understood, guys. Now, what about hemisphere? If I have a hemisphere, guys, what is the meaning? Hemisphere simply means I've got a sphere and I basically want to divide this sphere into two parts. I want to divide this sphere into two parts. Now, since it is 3D, guys, this sphere is 3D. So basically, you will get a shape like this. You will get like this. And the bottom will be a circle. It's like you've got a lemon. And if you cut the lemon exactly in the center, so you get lemon like this. On the bottom also one surface is generated, and that is a circle, and that area is pi r square. Now this area, curved area of the hemisphere would obviously be half of the area of full sphere. The curved area of full sphere is 4 pi r square. So hemisphere area would be half of this, that is 2 pi r square, plus this another surface which is generated at the bottom of the sphere, that is pi r square. So guys, you can say surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. But interesting, when you join both the spheres like this, this surface which is generated on both the hemispheres, it coincides and it disappears. It becomes a complete sphere. So once again, the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, and surface area of a hemisphere. What is hemisphere? If I divide the sphere into two parts, is 3 pi r square. Why? Because in this sphere, only this circular part is there, but in the hemisphere, circular part plus circle is also there. Thank you, guys.